Saint Francis de Sales Spirituality for All and All Times by Father Kalathil Matthew, MSFS, Volume 1, Episode 13. Servant of God, Father Peter Mary Mermier, founder of MSFS and SCC. Peter Mary Mermier was born on 28th August 1790 at Voray in the parish of Chamon-en-Genevois in Savoy. The French Revolution had badly affected the church in Savoy and many priests left the country while a few went in hiding. Peter's parents, who were fervent Christians, risked their lives and property by welcoming the priests. Between the age of 4 and 10, Peter had the rare privilege of assisting at the Mass celebrated secretly in the house. The faith and courage of his mother and of those daring priests motivated him to make a decisive choice for the Lord. The revolutionaries had closed churches and schools, so Peter Mermier had his primary education by his own mother. Peace returned to Savoy in 1800. He did his secondary school studies as a boarder in Milan. In 1807, he was received at the major seminary of Chambéry. He was fervent at prayer, a hard worker, and with thoughtful regard for his fellow students. He was ordained priest on 21st March 1813 at the age of 23 and a half. His first appointment was at Mugland as assistant parish priest to Canon des Jacques. As a young priest, he was a tireless worker. He taught the little ones by day and continued his theological studies by night. After 3 years, he was asked to teach at the College of Milan and be prefect of discipline. The Archbishop of Chambéry appointed him parish priest of Les Châtellards in 1819 at the age of 30. Father Peter Mary Mermier was an austere priest of unbounded zeal, but most of the people were indifferent to Catholic faith and practices due to the influence of Jansenism, Gallicanism, and French Revolution. With a view to enliven the people in true faith, he contacted Joseph Marie Faber, who gave missions in the Diocese of Chambéry with great success. They met in 1821, and it was very significant for Father Mermier as he fell in love with the apostolate of parish mission. In the same year, they, with the help of a few diocesan priests, dedicated themselves exclusively for this task. They went from parish to parish, staying from 4 to 6 weeks in each parish. They prayed, preached, and motivated the people to build up their faith. It was a wonderful opportunity for a solid religious instruction and reconciliation. Monsignor de Tioles, Bishop of Annecy, appointed him spiritual director of the major seminary in 1823. But in 1826, the bishop permitted him to dedicate himself entirely to the mission. Gradually, a small group of missionaries were formed. In the meantime, Father Peter Mary Mermier sensed the irreplaceable role of the parish missions, the necessity of a religious congregation of missionaries, and the meaning of the patronage of Saint Francis de Sales. Peter Joseph Ray became the new Bishop of Annecy in 1832. He allowed the missionaries, at that time 6 in all, to move to a house in La Roche in June 1834. On September 29, 1836, Bishop Ray gave provisional approval for their rule, and they were known as Missionaries of Annecy. They set up a mother house in Annecy at a place called La Fouille on August 8, 1837. It became a house of prayer and study. It was the house where the young religious received their formation in the apostolic and Salesian life. The civil approval to the new religious society from the Duke of Savoy came on October 15, 1838. It is stated that the missionaries were approved under the title of St. Francis de Sales. On October 24th, 1838, Bishop Ray issued an official document giving canonical approval to the congregation founded by Father Peter Mary Mermier, known as the Missionaries of St. Francis de Sales or Franciscans. Father Peter Mary Mermier founded the congregation of the Missionaries of St. Francis de Sales for parish mission, foreign mission and education of the youth. His missionary zeal impelled him to ask the Holy Father for a mission abroad and accept a vast mission territory in India when the congregation was in its infancy with just 11 professed members. As regards education, he opines that one has to be a mother to the pupil by one's tenderness and a father by one's prudence. He accepted the management of the College of Avian in 1856 and the College of Milan in 1857. In Chavano, he came to a contact with Claudine Chenier, who wanted to live a humble, recollected life devoted to the apostolate of the poor in 1837. This resulted in the founding of the Congregation of the Sisters of the Cross of Chavano, SEC, for the education of the needy girls. They had to work in the poorest and lowliest circles in the country. Between 1828 and 1857, Father Mermier himself conducted 90 missions. He considered sermon as the chief means of proclaiming the word of God. He adopted carefully and prepared simple preaching. He spoke with faith and conviction, using a fatherly tone of voice marked with a kindly understanding of sinners like St. Francis de Sales. He guided the missionaries to live a life of pleasing and kindly charity in their apostolic ministry and daily relationship. He considered devotion to Our Lady of Seven Sorrows to be an eminent Salesian devotion. In spite of his old age, Father Mermier took over the parish of Puni as priest in charge on 26th June 1857. Even in his old age, he retained a lively and curious mind. His last years were a time of purification and edification. He fell seriously sick in Puni and was taken to La Fouille. His eyesight and thinking capacity weakened. As he was a little better, he took up a pilgrimage to Our Lady of La Salette in July 1859. He suffered a fierce attack on June 6, 1860 and became fully blind. Meanwhile, the Sacred Congregation of the Bishops and Regulars approved the missionaries of St. Francis de Sales as a congregation with simple vows. On 10th August 1862, Father Peter Mary Mermier had a fall which caused a double fracture of his right leg. Our holy founder, Father Mermier, left for his heavenly abode on 30th September 1862, leaving all his confreres grief-stricken. We celebrate the feast of Servant of God, Father Peter Mary Mermier, founder of MSFS and SCC Sisters of the Cross of Chavano on September 30th. Live Jesus.